Welcome students. Let's continue with the digital electronics. In that, De Morgan's theorem was going on. In the last class we had a live class. Unfortunately, some of you were absent. So, I had to take YouTube recorded class. So, it's okay. Watch the video completely. If you have any doubts, you can text me anytime. Now, let's continue with the problems on De Morgan's theorem. Actually, we have covered the proof of the theorems as well as along with two problems on that. We will continue with the simplification problems on the De Morgan's theorem. De Morgan's theorem, the first theorem, it will tell us a plus b whole bar is equal to a bar dot b bar. The second theorem tells us a dot b whole bar is equal to a bar plus b bar. That is, the complement of the logical sum of variables is equal to logical product of their complements. Okay. Here, the complement of logical product of variables is equal to logical sum of their complements. It will be proved in this syllabus. We have 2 or 3 variables. We will be working with 2 or 3 variables, but in further studies, if you find like a plus b plus c whole bar, you can even write like a bar dot b bar dot c bar. One thing you just remember is, if you want to split this bar, you have to change the sign from plus to dot. Or if it is like a b c whole bar, if you want to change it, a bar plus b bar plus c bar, you have to write. You are splitting this bar, so for our simplification process, we will split that complement bar. So, we will change that sign. If it is a AND sign, then we will change it to OR. If it is a OR, then we will change it to AND sign. That is what the theorem tells us. If you go on further, a plus b plus c plus d plus etc. bar, you just have to split it and changing the sign. This will be continuous. Okay. In the further studies, in your engineering studies, or if you go for either computer science or electronics engineering, you are going to study this digital electronics again. In that, you may have to work with some number of variables will be more. You may have to work with 4 or 5 variables, something like that. And also, this will be very much essential in our further topics as well as in our second PUC. Okay. So, in your computer science, if you are going to perform computer science engineering, then also this will be very much essential, because the basic, if you learn it properly, how to simplify the Boolean expressions using De Morgan's theorem, that will be very helpful in your further studies. Okay. If you have any doubts, please text me and watch all the videos. Do not keep pending videos. These topics will be included in the coming tests. Okay. So, we will solve the first problem, that is a plus b bar whole bar. A plus b bar whole bar. I will take let y is equal to a plus b bar whole bar. This will be simplified as, I will split this bar, so that will be a bar into b bar and bar, b double bar it will be. Okay, a bar, b double bar will be b. So, a bar b is the simplified version of the given problem. Okay. And the next problem is a into y is equal to a into b plus c whole bar. Okay. Y is equal to a into b plus c whole bar, that will be a bar plus b plus c bar. First, I had split only a from this b plus c. So, I have only put a bar plus b plus c, have kept whole bar like that only, and plus sign. Here a bar plus b bar into c bar it will be. Okay. So, if you want to expand it, a bar plus b bar into a bar plus c bar according to distributive property of the Boolean expression you will get expanded like this. Okay. The next one is a bar b plus a b bar whole bar. Third one, I guess it's the fifth one, because the last class we have solved up to 2 problems and 4. Now fifth one, it is a bar b plus a b bar whole bar. Okay, I will take this y is equal to a bar b bar whole bar, a bar b whole complement plus is there. I will make it convert it to dot by splitting the complement. That will be again this, I will split a double bar plus b bar, a bar plus b double bar. You have to concentrate, because if you split it and don't change the sign, then it will be wrong. Again, if you change the sign and don't split it, then the problem will be wrong. A double bar is A according to NOT operation, A bar plus B, B double bar is equal to B. Here if I expand it, A into A bar plus AB, B bar into A bar can be written as A bar into B bar plus B bar B. A into A bar will be 0 according to your AND operation. You can see, I will start with AB plus A bar B bar plus B into B bar will be 1. B into B bar will be again 0. So, it will be 0. So, AB plus A bar B bar will be the simplified one. Next one, y is equal to, sixth one, y is equal to a plus b whole bar a bar plus c bar b bar plus c. So, it will be, if I split this, a bar dot b bar, a bar plus c bar, b bar plus c bar, I will write like that only. Here a bar into, it is a bar b bar into a bar, it is a bar b bar a bar plus a bar b bar c bar plus b bar plus c. I just multiplied this a bar b bar into this product term, sum term, sorry. Here a bar into a bar, a into a is what? A. So, a bar can be written only once plus a bar b bar c bar. Here b bar plus c I will write like that only. Here in this I will take a bar b bar common, 1 plus c bar b bar plus c. 1 plus a is 1, 1 plus a is 1, so 1 plus c bar is 1. So, a bar b bar into b bar plus c. If you expand this, a bar b bar into b bar plus a bar b bar c. B bar can be written once, a into a is a, that is a and a, b bar and b bar is b bar plus a bar b bar into c. If I take a bar b bar common, 1 plus c, 1 plus c is 1, so it will be, final expression will be a bar b bar. Okay. Next one is prove that A into A bar plus B bar plus AB is equal to A. This is a Boolean expression, not the De Morgan. You can no need of De Morgan's theorem here. It's okay. I'll expand this. A bar plus B bar plus AB. A bar will be 0 plus B bar plus AB. In this I will take A common, B bar plus B. This will be 1. So it will be A. Hence the RHS or hence the proof. Okay. Next one is A plus B whole bar A bar plus C, B bar plus C. Here y is equal to, I will take in examination there will be, it will be given like y is equal to that expression. So I will split this, then A bar B bar it will be into A bar C into B bar plus C. Oh, we have done this. No. Okay. I split this A bar B bar into A bar plus A bar B bar into C. B bar plus C I will write like that only. A bar twice it is. So only one A bar you can write. A into A is A bar into A bar is A bar plus A bar B bar C into B bar plus C. Here I will take A bar B bar common 1 plus C, B bar plus C. 1 plus C is again 1, A bar B bar into B bar plus C. I can split it A bar B bar into B bar plus A bar B bar into C. A bar B bar plus A bar B bar into C it is. If I take A bar B bar is common 1 plus C it will be, final answer is A bar B bar. I guess this problem is repeated. I guess the list of problems I have bought, that only it is repeated, sorry. Next problem will continue. I thought it is repeated, it's okay. Next one, I have written it twice. Y is equal to A bar B plus BC whole bar. In this, A bar B whole bar dot BC whole bar. I have splitted the bar, then put dot sign. A bar, A double bar plus B bar into B bar plus C bar. Here nothing is there, in the sense it is dot is there. So A double bar is A plus B bar plus C bar. If I expand it, a b bar plus b bar into b bar plus b bar into c bar. A b bar plus a into a is 1, b bar into b bar is b bar plus b bar c bar. If I take a common, b bar common, a plus 1 it will be 1 plus b bar c bar. I will get b bar plus b bar c bar. Here you can take b bar common, 1 plus c bar, b bar will be the final answer. Okay. In this step, you can even take b bar common, 1 plus c bar will be 1 again. So 1 plus a b bar plus b bar, it will be b bar. If you take, the final answer will be a actually. Try that. In this step, I have taken b bar common between these two. If you take b bar common, what happens? Try it yourself. Okay. Next one, y is equal to a b bar plus a b c whole bar plus a into b plus a b bar whole bar. This looks a little complicated one, but no problem, we can do it easily. First I will take the upper one, because always it is, you used to in your high school, in algebra you used to remove the brackets. You remember that? You used to remove the brackets. Usually you used to start with the inner brackets and coming towards the outer ones, right? Here you have to split the upper one first. A b bar plus a b c double bar into a into b plus a b bar whole bar. Okay, this will be double complement, a double complement is e. So the expression will be a b c double complement will get cancels. Here a bar plus b plus a b bar whole bar. Okay, in this two, I will take a common, b bar plus bc, a bar plus, see this is, and this one is of the form, we know that a plus a bar b is equal to a plus b, right? A plus a bar b can be written as a plus b. In the same way, this can be written as b plus b bar a can be written as b plus a whole bar. Even this one, b bar plus c, it should be a plus a bar b. So b bar plus b c it is. So you have to leave the complement term. So I have left this b bar, I have written like that only. Along with this one complement term it is there, b, the same term, same variable will be there with or without complement. If it is here, it is complemented, here it will not be complemented. In that case, it will be treated as in that form, a plus a bar b is equal to a plus b. In the same way, b bar plus c. Here also you can observe A plus A bar B, A we will write like that only. In these two we will choose only one. This we will leave. You have already proved it. Okay. A bar plus B bar, A bar. A plus B bar. See, here you can take common. A bar common, or you can also write as A plus AB is equal to A. You can remember that, or else you can just take A bar common here, 1 plus B bar, that will be 1. So, it will be A bar. So, here AB bar plus AC into A bar, A into A bar, AB bar into A bar, AC into A bar. See, A into A bar will be 0, A into A bar will be 0. So, the answer will be 0. Okay, this will be simplified. If you simplify that, there will not be any variable will be left, and also there will not be any circuit for this. I will give an assignment for you people. See, in this problem, you just remove this and try solving this problem. What will be the answer? Okay. In this problem, for last problem we have solved, I have removed the whole complement and check what will be the answer. Next one is A plus B whole bar plus C bar whole bar. I will call this y is equal to A plus B whole bar plus C bar whole bar. So, if I split it, A plus B double bar, C double bar, it will be like A plus B double bar will be cancelled. So, A plus B into C, it will be AC plus BC will be the answer. You can keep like this also, or if you want you can keep like this also. Once you learn how to draw the circuit for this, that we will learn after studying gates. Basic gates we are going to study in the next class. After studying gates, we are going to draw the circuit for these expressions. Okay, that time we will come to know why it should be kept in this form or this form. Okay, which is more useful to draw the circuit, that you will come to know after only when after studying the gates. Next one, y is equal to A into ABC whole bar plus AB bar C. Here I split this, A bar plus B bar plus C bar plus AB bar C. Okay. I will expand this, A into A bar plus A into B bar plus A into C bar plus A into A B bar C. A into A bar will be 0. So, A B bar plus A C bar plus A into A is A B bar C. A B bar plus, if I take A common, C bar plus B bar C. This will be of the form A plus A bar B, A B bar plus A bar B can be written as A plus B, right. So, it will be C bar plus B bar C, C bar plus B bar you can write or if you want you can use distributive property C bar plus B bar into C bar plus C. You can use that, you will get C bar plus D bar. A B bar plus A C bar plus A B bar. A plus A is A. In the same way, A B bar plus A B bar is A B bar plus A C bar. You can write like this, or if you want you can take common B bar plus C bar. Okay. Last but one, y is equal to b plus c ab plus ac whole bar. B plus c, here ab whole bar dot ac whole bar. B plus c, a bar plus b bar, a bar plus c bar. You can split like this. B plus c into a bar plus a bar c bar plus b bar a bar plus b bar c bar. B plus c, a bar will be a bar c bar, a bar b bar plus b bar c bar. B plus c, here I will take a bar common, into 1 plus c bar will be 1 plus c bar will be 1, a bar b bar plus b bar c bar. B plus c, a bar plus a bar b bar plus b bar c bar. B plus c, you will take a bar common, 1 plus b bar it will be plus b bar c bar. The last step it is b plus c, it will be 1, a bar plus bc, b bar c bar. I will continue here. B plus c, what we have got is b plus c, a bar plus b bar c bar I have got, b plus a bar c plus b bar c bar into c. This will be 0. So, a bar c plus b you can write. This will be the final expression. Okay. The last one, it's a textbook problem. Y is equal to AB plus AC whole bar plus AB bar C. Okay. So, here I will split this. AB bar dot AC bar plus AB whole bar C. You can split there only if you want, it's okay. Here A bar plus B bar, A bar plus C bar plus A bar plus B bar into C. A into A bar plus A bar C bar, B bar, A bar, B bar, C bar plus A bar C, B bar C. this will be a bar, you can write a bar plus a bar c bar plus a bar b bar plus b bar c bar plus a bar c plus b bar c. This is c bar actually. Okay. If I take a bar common, that will be 1 plus c bar, that will be 1 only. So, a plus ab is equal to a. In the same way, a bar plus a bar c is a bar b bar plus b bar c bar plus a bar c plus b bar c. Here again you can write only a bar plus a bar b bar. If I take a bar common, 1 plus b bar will be 1 again plus b bar c bar plus a bar c b bar c. These two I will take a bar common, 1 plus c it will be plus b bar. If I take common c bar plus c it will be, this will be 1, this will be 1 again, a bar plus b bar will be the final answer, a bar plus b bar. Okay, that's all. That's all of De Morgan's theorem simplification. We have done around 12 simplification problems, more than enough. You will be asked very easy simplifications in the examination. If you solve 10 or 12 problems, that is more than enough. You will be knowing the method how to simplify it. Okay, let's stop here. Any doubts, text me. Tomorrow we will start with the logic gates. Okay, watch the video, don't keep pending videos, that will be effective in the time of examination. Okay, thank you.